Good morning,
Good
Albert.
morning, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Oh, you are fine. Okay, are you ready to start English?
Yes, I am.
Yes, you are. Okay. Uh, who was the first president of Indonesia?
The first president of Indonesia was Mr. Soekarno.
Good, very good. And who was the second president of Indonesia?
Mr. Suharto.
Mr. Suharto. And who was the third president of Indonesia?
Mr. B.J. Habibie.
Mr. B.J. Habibie. Good. And who was the fourth president of Indonesia?
Mr. Gus Dur.
Mr. Gus Dur. And who was the fifth president of Indonesia?
Mrs. Megawati.
Mrs. Megawati. And who is the sixth president of Indonesia?
Mr. Suli Bambang Yudhoyono.
Yes, Susilo Bambang Yudhoyono, long name. And who was the seventh president of Indonesia?
Mr. Joko Widodo.
Mr. Joko Widodo. Widodo. Okay. And who is the eighth president of Indonesia?
Prabowo Subianto.
Mr.
Prabowo.
Prabowo Subianto. Oh, very good, Mr. Prabowo Subianto. And he is the recent president of Indonesia now. Okay, Albert, I want to ask you about the multiplication. How much is 9 times 1?
9.
9 times 2?
18.
9 times 3?
27.
9 times 4?
36.
9 times 5?
45.
9 times 6?
54.
9 times 7?
63.
9 times 8?
72.
9 times 9?
18.
80?
81.
80?
81.
Okay. 9 times 10?
90.
90. Oh, very good. You can answer all my questions correctly. Okay, thank you very much, Albert.
You're welcome, sir.
So, yeah, bye.